What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys yet another error that has been found, and this time it's on the 2023 Shield Penny, the Lincoln Cent Shield Penny. And so let's go ahead and get straight into this video, guys. Okay, guys, so what you're actually looking for is down where Victor David Brenner's initials are, VDB. If you see VDBV, then that is the Shield Penny error for 2023. And this coin is selling for about $40 to $50, guys. So, yeah, be on the lookout for this error. This is something that is very, very new, and you want to be one of the first to get your hands on it. So, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.